What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So I'm going to make a quick bow for this guy. Y'all, this ribbon has a really nice wire in it. Y'all, I'm just going to do a simple 3 loop and then 2 loops. Y'all, when I went to North Carolina, Candy made me look for shark teeth every day, like hours, just walking up and down the beach looking for shark teeth that didn't exist. Not really. It was like 20 minutes, but still. Sarah, you finally got the bow maker? Awesome. Why would I trip? Y'all, this is clean. Will I truly relax on vacation? Let me tell y'all. We have a camera packed. We have a flip chart packed. We've got notebooks packed. We've got markers. We've got the podcast equipment. Because y'all know, like, I'm going to have a really great idea just sitting at the pool, and then I'm going to make a whole new business right there. Look how cute. Y'all, all I'm going to do is add a bow to this wreath. I went to California. We went to, I don't remember where we went, but I went. The ribbon was pretty. You didn't know I have a podcast? Go to makersmeanbusiness.com and you can read all about our podcast and listen to it. Tammy, we have light kits. Y'all, simple. People love simple stuff. Don't make everything in your business complicated.